Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. Okay, so we've been able to treat couple of topics. Okay, quadratic equations, indices, logarithm, and all that. Okay, so we'll try to continue this tutorial video on what simultaneous equations. Okay, so in this video we'll be treating simultaneous equations by the help with what the scientific calculator fx. Okay, fx-991ES. Okay, so in case you are new to this channel, I urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification by clicking on the bell icon, like the video, share, and then in case you have any questions, you just leave them in the comment section and I'll reply to them as soon as possible. Right, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So for simultaneous equation, you could also solve simultaneous equations with what your calculator. Okay, all you have to do is just put the calculator in the what simultaneous equation mode, and then you are good to go. Okay, so without further much ado, let's do that. So click on mode and then click on 5 represents what equations. Now from here you can notice that 1. Okay, let's choose 1. So from here you can notice that this is what the simultaneous equation mode. So again, click on 5 then click on 1. Okay, right, you are now in the what simultaneous equation mode. All you have to do now is just punch what your question, okay, into the what calculator. In case you've watched a video on what quadratic equation, all we did was just inserting what is the coefficients. Okay, so same applies to simultaneous equation. Just insert what the coefficients and the constant, and then you are good to go. You arrive at what your respective answer. Okay, so let's do that for this question. So you have what 4x plus 2y equals 16, and then what 6x minus 2y equals 14. So let's start from here. So we have what 4. So input that over here, 4. Click on equal to sign. Then we have what plus 2. Okay, so we have plus 2. And then we have what constant is what 16. So we'll click on 16. And then you move on to what the second equation, which is 6. So once you are done with the first equation, the calculator will automatically move to the second equation. Okay, that's why it moved from what 16 to what 2. The second equation, which starts from what here. Okay, so we have what 6 equal to sign, and then we have what minus 2. Take note of what the operation signs, they are very important. Then we have what 4. After punching the entire equation, you click on what the equal to sign. Okay, so it will give you the respective answers for what or values for x and y. So we have what x to what 2, and then y to what 4. Okay, so from here you have to find the value of y minus x. Okay, so we know that x is what 2 and then y is 4. So 4 minus 2 will give us what 2. Okay, so the answer is what A. You see how simple this is? Very, very simple. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we have to solve this equation. The same principle applies. Okay, we just apply the same principle. Right, so in order to clear the already existing numbers, just click on the AC. Okay, all of those numbers, initial numbers, will just clear. Okay, they will be just cleared. Now let's start from here. So we have what 3x minus 2y equals 10, and then what x plus 3y equals 7. So let's do that. So we have 3, click on equal to sign, minus 2, click on the equal to sign, and then we have what 10. Okay, then click on the equal to sign. Then you move on to what the second equation, which is what x, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y here is 3, equal to sign. Then you have what the constant, which is 7. Okay, click on equal to sign. Okay, so let's find what are x and y values. Okay, let's see. Now x is what 4, so let's check which one of these will be the correct answer. Most definitely it will be D, because x is 4. Is the only one, is the only option having x to what 4, but C, B, A have what minus 4, minus 1, and 1. Okay, let's see for y 1. Okay, so from here you notice that the answer to the question is what D, x4, and then y is what 1. Let's look at the last question. Okay, then we call it a day. So let's look at this question. Don't be overwhelmed, okay, and don't panic. This is just a simple question. Okay, so we have what? So we have p on 2 plus k on 3 equals 5, and then what 2p minus k equals 6. So from here, p on 2 is the same as 1 over 2p, okay, and then k on 3 is the same as 1 over 3k. So that's what we'll be doing. Okay, so let's do that. Let's start from here. So we have what 1 over 2, p, coefficient of p is what 1 over 2. So we have what 1 over 2. So when you punch it, this is how it will look like. Don't worry, that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, click on the equal to sign. Then we have what 1 over 3k. So the coefficient 1 over 3, okay, and then you have the constant, okay, which is 5. And then you move on to the second question, which is 2, okay. So click on 2. Then we have what? Minus k, which is what? Minus 1, okay. Click on minus 1. And then you click on what? 6, okay. Once you click on that, you'll be given the values for x and y. So we have x to what? 6, y to what? 6, okay. So 6, 6. So x stands for what? The first variable, which is p, and then the y is k. So p6, k6. So the answer is what? A, okay. Answer is A. See how simple this is. Once you know this trick, you are just good to go. Again, I will urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. So we'll be treating how to use the calculator to solve what? Differentiation and what? Limits, okay? So differentiation, integration, and limits, okay? So I'll see you in the next video where we'll be doing that. Have a lovely day.